Today I'll be showing you how to do an ombre eyebrow. And I'm particularly excited about this because not only am I introducing the new Softap needles, which are the Super Smudgers and the Ultimate Smudgers, but I'm also thrilled about the fact that I can show you how to do this procedure using only hand tools, and I can achieve the same look as the machine. Hi everyone, this is Julia from Pigmenta Permanent Cosmetics and welcome to my channel, the #1 place for permanent makeup education, science, and inspiration. If you're new to my channel, please make sure that you click that subscribe button below, hit the bell, and turn on your notifications. Everything I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box below. So let's get started. On this silicone pad, I am showing you the entire collection of the smudge needles. For this tutorial, I'll be using the 7SS, the 15SS, the 14US, the 11US, and the 17US. Here I am demonstrating how these needles work. We're using the tapping method to implant the color into the skin. These needles are incredibly versatile. I can use them to outline and fill in eyebrows such as ombre or powder. I can use these to do any stardust type work, like eyeliner stardust, and they are also excellent for blush lips as well. If you want to learn more about the other Softap tools, please see my video above. Okay, let's get an outline going first. On a live person, you would do the same and map them. The 7SS is a single roll smudger. I'm tapping in the outline very softly with the bottom line slightly longer than the top line. Introducing yet another smudger needle, the 23SS. I like to use this one when I have to pack in a lot of color in a small area. We will start from the tail. I am using the 15SS. Since in an ombre eyebrow, you want to achieve a gradient look. You want the most dense and opaque color in the back of the eyebrow and gradually get lighter as you come to the front. Using the 14 extra fine needle next. This gives me more density of color in one area, and I will continue to work towards the middle. The next needle is the largest configuration of the Smudges series, and it's to cover the larger areas. I don't have to be too exact at this point. The objective here is to get as much color as I can in a reasonable amount of time. I will continue to work until about the middle of the brow with this needle. Detail work will be done at the end. I am now using the 11US to blend. At this point, you probably already see a pattern. Use larger, more spaced out needles to do the bulk, and then go back in with finer needles with denser needle configuration to fill in and cover missed spaces. the front area still needs some work, and I'm going to start detailing already because I do not want it to look patchy. And I'm going to do that by using the 7SS, which by the way has been around for a couple of decades, and before the other smudger needles were available, we would use this needle to do all our Stardust work on eyebrows, eyeliners, lips, and camouflage. So when I get to the last quarter of the eyebrows, right in the front, I only use the 17 US and the 7SS, since I want that area very lightly covered and faded out. Just finishing up with my ombre eyebrow, and what I really like about this technique is that you can be so detailed, and like painting a picture, you can look at it, critique and assess it, and make modifications if necessary. The Softap tools and system will revolutionize the way we do permanent makeup, as most in the industry think that these types of procedures can only be done with a machine. And I'm honestly not marginalizing the machine work that's out there, as I have colleagues and friends doing beautiful machine work. This is merely another tool for you, an alternative to the norm, which you might adapt better to. And voila, the ombre eyebrow using the hand method. I hope you got value out of this video. If you have any questions about the ombre eyebrow tutorial, please visit us at pigmentausa.com or tell me in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. See you same time next week.